Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your site's SSL issues with Comodo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your site's SSL issues with Comodo, start by launching your web browser. Navigate to the Comodo SSL support page. Log into your Comodo account using your credentials. Locate the SSL certificates section on the dashboard. Find the certificate that is causing issues. Click on the certificate to view its details. Check the expiration date to ensure it's still valid. If the certificate is expired, you'll need to renew it. Follow the renewal process provided on the Comodo website. If the certificate is valid, proceed to check its installation. Use an online SSL checker tool to test your site's SSL status. Enter your website URL and start the check. Review the results for any errors or warnings. If issues are found, take note of the specific error messages. Return to your Comodo account and access the management panel. Follow the instructions for reissuing your SSL certificate. Generate a new certificate signing request, CSR, if necessary. Submit the CSR and wait for Comodo to process it. Once you receive the new SSL certificate, download it to your device. Upload the new certificate to your web server. Make sure to include the full certificate chain if required. Restart your web server to apply the changes. Go back to the online SSL checker tool to verify installation. Ensure your site is now displaying a secure connection. If issues persist, consult the Comodo support for further assistance. Confirm that all website links utilize HTTPS. Test your site thoroughly to ensure functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.